Okay, so I'm going to see if I can make this sprite like shoot something. So watch what I do. This is a pretty basic game. This is just where they're catching it. But like, what if I wanted to have it where I was shooting the things that was falling? So essentially, all I'm going to do is create a. I'm just going to create a conditional. And watch what I do. So I'm going to say, all right, if I'm going to put it in my draw loop. Let's say if I say key went down. Where is it? And this can be any key. I'm going to use a space bar. I feel like a space bar is a good thing. All right. And then I want the space bar. I want it to actually create a sprite. So first I'm going to go grab an animation. Let's see, what would be a good something to shoot at something. Let's look under video games here. What if I shot a, let's see. What should I shoot here? Let's see. Let's see, what are they giving me in the video game realm? Gotta find a good animation. All right, what if I shot a sword? All right, so watch what I do. If key went down, space, I'm gonna create a sprite. I'm gonna animate it. I'm gonna have it shoot a sword. All right. And I want it to start wherever my player is. So my player is the bunny. So look, the X position is going to be my bunny.x. The Y position is bunny.y. And then watch what happens. I'm going to give it velocity. And I want it to start at the bottom and go up. So it looks like my Y velocity is going down when I do that. So watch. Forward velocity, I'm going to make it like -5. So now watch it. When I hit, uh-oh. And, oh, I got to give it a proper animation. Sword. There we go. All right, so watch. I can move around and I can shoot it. It's too big. Hold on, I got to change my scale. Let's make it like 0.1. Let's make it small. So now look. Pew! Pew, pew! So essentially, I can shoot stuff now. And then I could say, all right, well, if that sword is touching a coin, where is it? Where's my is touching? Then I can make it get a pointer something. The sword is touching the coin. Where is it? I can make the coin reset, maybe. Where is it? Oh, that's set coin. Cool. I already have a function that says that. All right, and this is it. So now look what happens. Uh-oh, didn't like that. What is wrong? Coin. If sword is touching coin, why doesn't it like that? Uh-oh, does not like my coding. Let's try this again. Oh, I know why. Because I got to put it inside because it doesn't create the sword yet. Let's see. See if it gets it. Oh, it didn't reset it. All right. Well, I would take a minute to figure out. I got to get my coding, but that's pretty much how you make things shoot. All right. So some of you may want to include something like that in your game. All right. Hope that helps.